Hello and welcome to this video from Berthon International of the 2020 Windy 37 Shamal making waves. This boat offers a comprehensive Mediterranean specification, including the largest Volvo D6-440 Diesel engines with the new DPI drives. She's also been upgraded with joystick docking system, air conditioning, generator and a lot more. This boat has been carefully looked after by Berthon Spain under our guardiennage service, and she's been stored ashore undercover with us each winter. Now let's have a look on board. Here we are in Port Adriano, Mallorca to have a look on board making waves. The Windy 37 Shamal was developed by Windy in cooperation with Espen Oyno, the renowned Norwegian superyacht designer. This boat was delivered in July 2020 and is hull number 6. The 37 Shamal offers a vast cockpit and extended bathing platform. The platform is the perfect place to relax close to the water and features a centrally mounted bathing ladder. There is a clever locker below the sun pad with integral storage. There is a wide companionway into the cockpit from the platform with solid stainless handrails. The deck lifts up to reveal a top stowing fender locker, and there is a locker outboard with the shore power connection. The social cockpit is laid with teak-laid decking with grey caulking, and she's been upgraded with marlin white quilted upholstery, which is a real enhancement over previous models. There is also a polished grey GRP table which folds out. The wet bar has also been upgraded with a ceramic hot plate, pop-up light, and is fitted with a sink. There is also a fridge, storage and additional fold-out worktop. The helm position is finished in special Nextel anti-glare paint in anthracite and designed to be uncluttered and modern. The engine instrumentation is integrated into the upgraded Raymarine XL16 glassbridge display, but also backed up with the Volvo engine computers. At the helm you have both helm and co-pilot sports chairs with bolsters and an additional co-pilot chair to port. There is also access in the deck to the generous lazarette. On the helm we also have cup holders, the Humphrey system, joystick docking system, bow thruster, manual controls for the chart plotter which are useful at sea, locker, VHF and controls for the generator. There are substantial handrails around the windscreen which add to the feeling of security at sea. Access to the spacious foredeck is via the windscreen, which is partially laid with teak. As we look back, you can really get a feel for the vast cockpit space. On the bow we have an integrated windlass which can be controlled from the foredeck or helm position. The cabin on the 37 Shamal includes 4 berths with a fixed double berth forwards with integral storage. There are large deck headlight panels and plenty of lockers for clothes and general bits. The accommodation is also air conditioned, which can be run from the shore power or the generator. There is also an additional control for the Fusion sound system. The lower galley complements the wet bar in the cockpit and features an additional fridge and plenty of fiddled lockers and drawers. The aft cabin runs below the cockpit and still offers a very good sized berth with standing room to change. There is a folding privacy door which pulls across and separates the aft cabin from the main saloon. The shower compartment is fitted with an electric heads and separate shower area with seat. There is also a vanity locker, extractor fan and controls for the holding tank. Making Waves is fitted with the largest Volvo D6-440 Diesel engines, which offer a top speed in excess of 45 knots depending on conditions. These engines offer impressive economy, acceleration, and the new DPI drives are very smooth in and out of gear. The boat is fitted with power trim assistance, which controls the outdrive position based on the RPM, and the Humphrey interceptor system, which takes care of the boat's trim and list. Here you can also see the garage for the Canopy system, which easily folds up into position. Making Waves has been upgraded with a bimini sunshade which has a rear extension. She also comes with a fully enclosing camper canopy which can be used at speed.